Despite numerous efforts to contain the spread of HIV AIDS, new infections, especially among the youth, remain high. It is a situation that AIDS Healthcare Foundation Country Director Dr. Wamai Maranga says call for a review of strategy.
We are still getting new infection in Kenya. Our new infections are still way above the number of people who are dying from HIV, meaning that our epidemic is still actually growing. But we would want to reach a level whereby the epidemic is not growing. That would mean that we turn the tide against HIV. That is achievable with the resources that we have in terms of prevention, treatment. We know we can achieve this, but it requires a lot of concerted effort. As I said earlier on, we would want all people to know their HIV status, because only by knowing you can take the right action, either starting treatment or ensuring that you prevent yourself from getting infected if you're not.
Speaking at a youth talent show meant to spread awareness of new infections, Dr. Wandia says the current trend, if not checked, could prove costly for the country.
Only among the youth that it was noted that HIV infection is still increasing, which is worrying because this is the largest group that you're talking of, the 15 to 25, the youth. So we would want them to reach out to this group, which is a massive group, to be able to let them have the knowledge they require to prevent themselves from getting infected, let them know about HIV, their HIV status, to let them know about proper use of condom, let them know any other aspects which they can use to prevent themselves from getting infected. Because it's a very critical group. It's a group, as we feel, as it's been felt, is that because they're still young and many of them are HIV negative, it gives a huge window of opportunity to ensure that we can turn the tide against HIV.
AHF Global Network Chairperson Cynthia David called for concerted efforts between governments and other actors to reduce the rate of infections.
So there's still a lot of work to be done to bring the numbers down. The numbers aren't down enough. They need to be lower. And so that involves coordinating with all types of partners, with local health departments, local governments, to be effective in reaching the highest risk populations to get the numbers down.
World AIDS Day is observed on the 1st of December each year. For Channel 1 News Hour, I'm Emily K. Bade.